Just imagine owning one single property that pays you each and every month without having to lift a finger or drive to an office every morning. Lots of people look at real estate investing from businesses, tax breaks, and financial returns. Now don't get me wrong, obviously those are great, but how about replacing your full-time job with a rental property? Many people dream of quitting their 9-to-5 job and becoming their own boss, and rental properties can help make that dream a reality. But how exactly can one rental property replace a 9-to-5 job? Well, I've got some good news. Not only will I tell you all the reasons how one rental property can replace your 9-to-5 job, but I want to share the best strategy I've used along with many other successful landlords in making this dream come true. So without further delay, here are 8 things you must know to get started. Number 1. Rental income is passive income. Picture this, you're sipping a margarita on a sunny beach somewhere and your bank account is steadily filling up with cash. No, you haven't won the lottery or stumbled upon a hidden treasure, although that would be pretty sweet. You've set up a rental property and the rent is rolling in without you having to lift a finger. That's the beauty of rental income. It's passive income at its finest. Once you've found tenants and set up your property, you can sit back and relax, knowing that you're making money while you sleep. No more clocking in at 9 a.m. and counting down the minutes until 5 p.m. With rental income, the money keeps coming in, even if you're binge watching your favorite show or taking a nap. Hey, we won't judge. And the best part? You're not tied to a desk or stuck in an office. You can manage your rental property from anywhere, whether you're lounging by the pool or backpacking through Europe. As long as you have an internet connection, you're good to go. Number 2. Cash flow. You need to understand that rental income can be a reliable source of cash flow that offers financial stability without depending on a traditional job's paycheck. With consistent rental income, you can cover your monthly expenses, invest in future projects, and enjoy financial freedom. Rather than being tied to a regular 9-to-5 job, owning rental property offers you the ability to manage your time and pursue other ventures while generating income passively. Not only that, rental income can help you build a financial cushion, allowing you to weather unexpected financial challenges or take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Moreover, the benefits of rental income extend beyond just monetary gain. As a landlord, you have the opportunity to build relationships with tenants, learn about property management, and develop valuable skills that can translate into other areas of your life. Are you ready to break free from the constraints of your 9-to-5 job and start living life on your own terms? Keep watching because you'll discover how a single rental property can provide you with the financial freedom and flexibility you've been searching for. While we're at it, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you're always updated with our latest videos. Number 3. Appreciation. Let's face it, we all want to make a buck or two, and what's better than making money without actually doing anything? Here's the answer: the magic of property appreciation. Over time, your rental property can increase in value, which means you could potentially sell it for more than you bought it for. With property appreciation, you could make a substantial return on your investment, which means more money in your pocket and less stress about finances. Not only can you sell your property for a higher price, but you can also rent it out for more as well. As the value of your property increases, so does its rental potential. So not only are you making money off of the property itself, but you're also making more in rental income. It's like hitting the jackpot, but without all the flashing lights and noise. Number 4. Tax benefits. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, taxes. Okay, maybe taxes aren't exactly a party starter, but hear me out. When it comes to rental properties, taxes can actually be a good thing. As a rental property owner, you may be eligible for various tax deductions and credits, which can help to reduce your overall tax liability. It's like getting a discount on your taxes just for being a savvy landlord. And who doesn't love a good discount? So what kind of tax benefits are we talking about? Well, for starters, you can deduct expenses related to your rental property, such as repairs, maintenance, and property management fees. You can also deduct your mortgage interest, property taxes, and insurance premiums. If you're feeling really fancy, you may even qualify for tax credits related to energy-efficient upgrades or low-income housing. But here's the catch. You need to make sure you're following all the rules and regulations when it comes to rental property taxes. That's where a good accountant or tax professional comes in. They can help you navigate the sometimes confusing world of tax deductions and credits so you can maximize your savings and minimize your stress. Number 5. Lower risk. Investing can be a risky business, but when it comes to real estate, the odds are in your favor. That's right, compared to other investment options, real estate is generally considered to be a lower risk choice. Why is that, you ask? Well, real estate is a tangible asset, It's not going to disappear overnight like a stock or a bond. Unless, of course, your rental property is haunted. Just kidding. This means that even if the housing market takes a dip, you still have a physical property that you can use or rent out. What's more is that rental properties provide a steady stream of income. Remember what I told you a while ago? This can help to offset any market fluctuations. Even if the value of your property goes down, you're still earning rental income, which means you can continue to pay off your mortgage and cover your expenses. Of course, there are always risks involved with any investment, but when it comes to real estate, the benefits often outweigh the risks. Aspiring to become a successful landlord? Follow our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on all of our latest videos on real estate investing. Now moving on to number 6, potential for multiple properties. You know what they say, one property is good, but multiple properties are even better. Once you've got your first rental property up and running smoothly, you'll be rolling in the dough. But why stop there? With the income you've generated, you can invest in additional rental properties and expand your empire. Before you know it, you'll be the proud owner of a whole fleet of properties, raking in passive income left and right. And maybe, just maybe, you'll even become the next real estate mogul. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, one property at a time. Number 7, inflation hedge. You may be aware that inflation can significantly erode the value of your assets over time. However, there is a simple and effective way to safeguard your investments against the ravages of inflation: rental income. Unlike other investments that may lose their value over time due to inflation, rental income has a unique characteristic that allows it to keep pace with rising prices. This is because as inflation increases, so does the cost of living and consequently the demand for housing. Landlords can leverage this demand to increase rental rates, ensuring that their income streams remain strong even in times of high inflation. In fact, rental income has proven to be one of the most reliable hedges against inflation over the years, outperforming other traditional investment options like bonds and stocks. By investing in rental properties, you not only enjoy a steady stream of passive income, but also protect your portfolio from the negative effects of inflation. Therefore, if you're looking to build a robust investment portfolio that can weather the storm of inflation, consider adding rental properties to your list of assets. With the potential for long-term growth and stability, rental income is an excellent choice for any savvy investor looking to protect and grow their wealth. Number 8, control. As a property owner, you hold a unique position of power. You have the ability to dedicate the direction of your investment and the power to make decisions that can have a profound impact on the success of your property. This control means you can determine everything from the aesthetic of the building to the policies governing its operation. Whether you want to invest in renovations or adjust rental rates, you have the flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions and make strategic moves that can elevate your investment. But with this power comes great responsibility. Managing a property can be a complex and challenging task, and the decisions you make can have far-reaching consequences. That's why it's crucial to stay informed, educated, and proactive about managing your property. By staying on top of industry trends, engaging with your tenants, and working with experienced professionals, you can maximize your property's potential and safeguard its long-term success. The point is, owning a rental property can be a great way to replace a 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. Rental properties provide a consistent source of income over high returns on investment, allow you to leverage other people's money, and provide tax benefits. While there are certain challenges to owning a rental property, the potential rewards can be well worth the effort. What are your thoughts about owning rental property? Please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.